What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur, and today I want to show you how to make $100 per day from TJ Maxx and Marshalls. If you don't know what those stores are, it's pretty much like a liquidation store, a discount store. It's like a Ross, if you will. But these two stores have made me a lot of money, and I want to show you exactly what I'm doing to make money from these two stores. So, the first thing I want to tell you is that they have items that anybody can buy, and you can sell them on eBay, on Amazon, on Craigslist, on Facebook. You can make some great money buying these things from these two stores and then reselling them on another site. All right, let me show you my first example. Okay, I have 4 different examples, 4 different products I bought just the other day. I'm going to show you what I paid for it, and I'm going to show you how much it sells for on eBay. Okay, I'm just going to show you eBay simply because some people can't sell these things like Levi's on Amazon. I know I can't. You probably can't either, but eBay is still a great platform, all right? So these right here, these are Levi Strauss. They're the 511s. This size, it's in a regular size. It's 34 by 34. I paid $15 for these, all right? So I paid $15. Look at this, okay? So paid $15. These aren't like a dark blue. They're probably a lighter color. These ones right here. Let's see. So it's probably like this one right here. This one's pre-owned, $15.99. My guess is I'll probably be able to get about $28 for these. And so I'll make about $5 to $7 profit from this one item. All right, that's not bad. From a 33% return on investment ROI to about a 40%. So, pretty good. All right, that's the first item. People go into TJ Maxx and Marshalls and they buy clothes. They think, okay, that's the best place to buy clothes, and they have some great items. However, that's not all they have. This right here is Logitech M325 Precision. I picked this up for only $2. All right, let me show you what it's going for right now on eBay. Okay, this one right here, it's like a lighter blue and then a black on the side. So it's probably similar to this one, brand new. I sold it for $4.25 and with for bids and $5 shipping. Okay, this one sold for $15. Looks like that's almost the same one, probably pretty close. This one right here, $13.99. Looks like the same one. Okay, things like this. Okay, even if I sell this product for $13.99, I'll probably make about $4 profit, $5 profit off this one item. So not bad, all right? Okay, things like this you can find anywhere. Go to TJ Maxx, go to Marshalls. You're gonna find stuff like this all the time. Now I got 2 more products I want to show you. Now before I get to these products, I just want to explain one thing. Is that I don't go into TJ Maxx and Marshalls and look for just one of these items. I look for 5, 10 of these. Okay, same thing with the pants, 5 or 10. Because if I'm going to go and only make $5 profit off an item, I want to make sure it's worth my time. So if I buy 5 of these things, I do the listing one time. I list quantity 5 over on eBay, and then that's all my work. That's all the work I really have to do, and then I'll ship it out when they sell. Okay, same thing with this next item. This item right here, it's made by Bliss. It's Bliss Steep Clean Mystifying Toner Pads, all right? 50 count. Let's see what they sell for on eBay. Okay, because I can't sell these on Amazon. This brand is actually restricted for one of my main accounts, so I don't sell this brand over on Amazon, but I can on eBay. This one right here, okay, sold on July 11th. Okay, $14.77. Looks brand new, but it's not in the box like mine is right here. This one sold on June 16th. Okay, for $32.99, and that's really all we got. Okay, so not bad. I only picked up one of these. That's all they had. If they had more, I probably would have picked up more, but they didn't, so that was all I got. But still, not a bad pickup because I'll be able to make, let's say I sell this for $19.99, paid $6 for it, so I think I'll make some good money off this one item. One of the reasons why I believe I can make more money than most people selling the exact same stuff that I find from TJ Maxx and Marshalls is because I look for a different type of product. Okay, let me show you an example. These right here, okay? These right here, Lacoste, they're large V-neck men's white t-shirts, right? White t-shirts, you can see the color, okay? You can see the little alligator on all 4 of them. You get the point. I don't need to show you all 4. But anyway, these are brand new. However, they're not in a box, okay? You can see they're all wrapped up. They all have their tape. They all have their cardboard in them, okay? They're good to go, but the problem is people go and pick through the boxes and they pull out something. They'll they'll hold it up to themselves, or maybe they'll try it on, and then they try to shove it back in the box. What happens is TJ Maxx and Marshalls, what they do, what corporate says I guess they have to do, is pull those items out, those things that were tried on, and put it on a hanger and put a clearance tag on it. That's one of the things they need to do, or they put it in like a poly bag and list it as a set, okay? But they got to mark it down. One of the things I've found recently is the ones that aren't open, they will sell you for a great deal. I paid $1.50 for each one. $1.50, $1.50, $1.50, $1.50. Paid $6 for these 4. Okay? So these 4 paid $6 for. Let me show you something. Over here on eBay, Lacoste men's V-neck large. Okay? This is it. However, I have 4. I don't have the box though. So I could pretty much sell these items right here. Again, I paid $6 for these. That's it. Okay, for those 4. So paid $6. If I can sell 4 compared to this guy's 3, and I'm going to sell it for $29.99, I'm going to get the sale. I guarantee you I will get the sale. And I know this because I do this all the time. This is my first time with this exact brand and this product. However, I do it all the time with underwear, with socks, with other shirts, polo, stuff like that. I do it and it does extremely well. So if you think a little bit differently, think outside the box, I guarantee you, you're going to make more money than the other guy, simply because you're looking at everything the store has compared to just the things that are brand new. So now that I showed you those 4 items, let me explain something. In order to make $100 per day, you have to do a lot of shopping. You have to do a lot of sourcing, all right? And so when I say sourcing, that means you go to the store, you pick up these products, all right? So over at Marshalls, I buy a lot of shoes. And for every pair of shoes that I buy, usually I'm making at least $15 profit. But you have to spend a decent amount of money. So in order to make $100 per day, how much money do I need to spend in order to make that money? Selling across multiple platforms like Amazon, eBay, Craigslist, Facebook, wherever. How much money do I need to spend? I need to spend right about $120 in order to make $100 per day. That's not bad. Because in some businesses, for example, over on Amazon, if I was only to sell on Amazon, I would need to spend right about $200 to $250 per day in order to make $100. But on eBay, things are completely different because you can find some great deals, like I said, like these, okay? You can find some extremely good deals and turn a $6 investment into about a $15 profit. Okay, so it's not like it's going to happen all the time, but if you're always and consistently out there buying products, I guarantee you, you're going to find deals like this. You're going to find other deals where you buy toys, you buy Lego sets that are on clearance that just aren't moving. They're big, bulky. They're not moving, nobody wants them, and they're maybe selling for $15, $20, but they'll sell for $45, $55, $70, $100 over on eBay. Maybe over on Facebook, you can get just as much. Maybe on Craigslist, you can get just as much. The goal as a reseller, okay, is not to just sell on one platform. I know a lot of people, including myself, I used to only sell on Amazon. And I did extremely well. I was killing it. I was crushing it. I was making some great money. However, there's more money to be made on eBay as well. And I wasn't doing that. And I know people that are only on eBay that won't hop over to Amazon because they've had so much success with eBay. So what I'm telling you, if you want to make $100 per day, you can. You can get there. But you need to be willing to spend that money. Okay? You got to spend the money to make the money. You can't make the money in reselling, okay, especially over at TJ Maxx and Marshalls, if you don't have the money to buy the products first. So what I recommend, get out there, sell whatever you can, get that first $100. That first $100 that you can take and you can put it towards your reselling business, because reselling is going to be one of the best, easiest, and most consistent businesses to get into over the next coming years. I've seen so many people get into reselling the past 2 or 3 years, and they all are loving it. They're all doing extremely well. They're making great money, quitting their 9-to-5 job, and just living the life that they want to live. So hopefully this video helped you out. I'm not showing you these items for you to go, hey, go find these exact same items and compete with me. If that's the case, go for it. There's other items I'll buy. But the reason why I'm showing you this video and even recording it is because I see so many people struggling to make money, struggling to pay their bills, struggling to put a roof over their head. Okay, buy that new car, pay for that vacation that they've wanted to go to all their lives. And people are struggling, and there's no reason you should be struggling. Okay, there's money out there. It's pretty much sitting there. Go pick it up, go buy it, go resell these items, because I guarantee you the second you do, a whole new opportunity, a whole new life is going to open up for you. All right? So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, again, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Share it with your friends and family if you want to over on Facebook. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.